TikTok Live gifts are virtual tokens viewers send to support creators, turning engagement into real earnings. Viewers buy coins, send gifts, and those gifts convert into diamonds, which creators can cash out. How to get more gifts. Engagement is key. The more interactive and entertaining your live stream, the higher the chances of receiving gifts. Shouting out gifters, responding to comments, and making your content fun keeps viewers involved. Promoting your live stream beforehand also helps attract more viewers, increasing your chances of earning. Understanding TikTok's rules. While gifts are great for creators, it's important to encourage them ethically. No pressure. Following TikTok's community guidelines ensures your account stays in good standing and maximizes long-term success. Want more TikTok tips? Subscribe, and check out our blog for a full guide.